Yeah, time to pack these away for the next baby. Good morning, guys. Well, it's not so much of a good morning, all right, because last night I'm actually here at a tire shop. Yeah, because we got a flat tire. So the weekend start too good. While I was driving home in the night, but Sean went to the barber shop. I actually picked up Sean, and I was waiting for him to come out. And I went to turn around somewhere, and I guess I don't know if I drove over a nail or what, but by the time Sean jumped in the car, the light came on saying tire pressure low, and then the car felt a bit wonky. So, you know, sometimes it's just say you lose a little bit of air, but on this case it was like going down. So Sean was like, just pull over as soon as you can. And so I pull over somewhere near to like the train station, and Sean jack up the car, y'all. Thank goodness he was in the car, because yeah, I would have had to call recovery to come and like sort me out, because River was in the car. I'll show you guys the clip. So if you can see right there, that is Sean, because I just saw me film a little piece. So this is when he was like almost finished and stuff, putting his spare on. So he put on the spare, the little donut tire. So yeah, thank gosh. And he did that within 5 minutes. And you know, some men walk past, right? They were like, oh, you got a flat tire, mate. And Sean was like, yeah. You know what they said? They were like, good luck, mate, good luck. What happened to all the good Samaritans though? No, like, oh, you need any assistance? They were like, yeah, good luck. And he was like, yep. But Sean changed it within 5 minutes, so he just, you know, wheeled up. So we're here at the tire shop, and we have to get a brand new tire because the tire got damaged.
Yeah, look, me speak.
So that did that.
Yeah, driving on the rim, or eat it up, drive it flat. The rim might eat down like
I didn't know that could happen.
yeah, I mean, driving flat damage it, but short.
Yeah, so we have to change the tire. We have to get a brand new tire, because I think because we drove on it, it kind of damaged it a bit. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna check back in with you guys probably a bit later. I'm actually going to the salon after this, and then I have a parent teacher meeting this afternoon. So yeah, I have a full day. It's quite early. ShéKayla's already at school, so we dropped her off, and then we came straight here first thing in the morning to get the tire sorted, because we can't drive around on the spare. It's actually, I think it's illegal to drive around on the spare tire. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys probably after the salon or something. I'm just gonna go wash my hair. Remember I told you guys I was gonna wash it. I was gonna wash it myself, but yeah, I'm just gonna go to the salon and get it washed. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys a bit later. Please remember to like the video, drop me a comment below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and stick around with me, you know, for the rest of the week. Yeah, all right. Guys, I'm here at Primark, and it has changed so much that there's like a self-service thing now where you cash out. So there's only like 2 cashiers, and straight down the line is self-service. So and I'm going so slow. I came to buy some stuff for River while I wait for the hairdresser, because they are running a bit behind. So I said, let me just come, because I needed to get a couple of stuff for River. Y'all, look at this cool kid hat that I got him. See River in his little hat. But yeah, this is like, what's my total? 40 pounds. That's the thing, you know, I came here to get like a hoodie, just a hoodie for River, and I end up getting all these things. 60 pounds later. Oh yeah, here's the camera. Yeah, so it says I need to wait for an attendant to perform a random check. because that's the thing that I have to make sure that you scan everything. Or yeah, I hate when I get selected for a random check though, because it's like keeping me back. Like, yeah. Hey y'all, so I am all done with the salon, and yeah, I put this hat back on because I didn't style my hair or anything. You know, I just do, if y'all know me, you know, every time I go to the salon, all I do is just I relaxed my hair, and let me just show you. So I relax my hair, and all I do is just straighten it out a bit, and that's it. There's no style to it or anything, but I don't know, I'm digging the hat today. So yeah, crazy thing. So I am, as I was heading out, like to go in the elevator and stuff, I was on Instagram because I just uploaded a reel of on River's Instagram page, so make sure y'all following him if y'all ain't following him, Baby River Henry. So yeah, I was doing that, and then I went back on my Instagram, and while on there, the first thing that popped up was, you know, an update from the Nashville school, that they just released the body cam, the police body cam footage of when they went into the school to take down the and I don't know, it just give me chills, you know. It give me a lot of chills just seeing the police do what they do, got in there, got the job done. And I don't know, when you hear like shots fired, sure most of you would have watched it from, if you watch it, if you know what I'm talking about. There was a, if you're from the UK and you haven't heard about it, but yeah, so the police camera that I was watching it from, by the time he got there, I think the guy, it was a transgender as well, apparently, but that the person was already on the floor. I think it had already been shot by police that was already on the scene. Yeah, so that's just crazy. You just see the person there, you know, live and in action, like with them going in and just taking charge, you know. I just don't know how these things happen. Like the other day, one of our local schools, it came on the news here as well that there was an intruder that ended up on the school premises here. And you know, I find our schools, for the most part, they're quite secure, you know, because they open the gate, the teachers let students and parents in, and then those gates are closed once all parents leave the premises, and after that no one can get on or into the school, you know, because the gates are closed, and a teacher or the reception, they have to let you in, you know, they ask who you are and who you're here to see and that kind of thing, and you know, and then you get let in. So in our schools, you can just freely get in like that, you know. And even when you get to the reception area to get into the school itself, they have to let you in because you have to sign in. So no one can just get on the premises unless they have to jump over the wall or something. That's the only way. So I guess that's something that I'm just so thankful about. I mean, there are ways to breach systems and all of that, but I mean, for the most part, I am just so thankful. Yeah, my heart goes out to those families, you know, all the families that are affected by that tragedy. Definitely. So guys, what I'm going to do now is actually just stop to get some, just stopped on my way to the car. Before I got to the car, I stopped to get some Chinese. Yeah, I have parent-teacher meeting to go to, and it's now 3:06. The parent-teacher meeting is at 4, so I need to just hurry up, get home, get dressed, because I'm gonna change. I think I'm gonna change. Do I have time to change? I can go in this sweater, right? I wanted to look a bit more put together, you know. I wanted to do my face, put on little bit of makeup and all of that. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get time to do that because I need to eat, because by the time I'm finished it's gonna be after 5. It's gonna be quite late, and I haven't had lunch or anything because I've been at the salon. I went there since like 11ish, and then I ended up shopping because they were running behind. So yeah, I feel so bad. Sean is off today and I'm not even like, I've been gone for hours and hours. I didn't even plan to go to the salon today. I was only gonna wash my hair, and then I was like, man, I might as well go and relax it because it's been like 8 weeks or 7 weeks. No, 7 weeks ago I relaxed my hair. Yeah, anyways, wagwan people. Yeah, so I'm at home. It's the next day, so I did go to parents evening yesterday, and I must say, so remember I told you guys, actually I'm watching Meet the Mitchells vlog. I need to go and pause that. Hold on. Yeah, so I did go to parents evening, and I don't know, remember I told you guys that I went to ShéKayla's school in last week's vlog. I went to ShéKayla's school and to meet with her head of year to discuss, you know, things like just like her behavior and whatever, because you know these little girl children always got some drama going on in school. So anyways, yesterday was actually River, hello, yesterday was actually parent teacher meeting, like officially, so I could get to meet with all of her teachers. And before I went, because you know your children, right? I already knew what all the teachers were gonna say about ShéKayla. Her mouth, she's shy on camera, you know, like when I'm vlogging, y'all see she always look kind of like quiety and stuff. But this mouth of hers, I don't know, she reminds me so much of my young self, right? She loved to express herself, and sometimes she doesn't know when or how she should go about doing that. So yeah, she kind of like stands up for what she believes in, but it's not necessarily the right place for it. So she knows that that's something that she needs to work on. Like if a teacher say, ShéKayla, I need you to move seats, she always have to ask like, why do I have to move if I didn't do anything? I don't want to move and stuff like that. You know, and I said, it's not for you to question the teacher why, just know that you kind of have to move because the teacher have a reason for asking, right? But other than that, they all pretty much had the same thing to say, that she is a polite girl. And the one thing, y'all know ShéKayla love to read, and they recognize this as well at school. Like whenever like her work is finished and that, she would actually take out her book and she would read until the very end of that lesson, the session, you know, which is a great thing. So she's been doing well, just that she needs to kind of work on, yeah. But yeah, I'm extremely I am proud of her and everything. So yeah, so today I need to do some cleaning up. I need to vacuum right now. The living room is a mess. I have some clothes there. Let me show you guys. I have some clothes. Hold on. I'm going to show you. So River is in here. River. Hi. So River is in. Take out your pacifier and say hi, guys. River is like, you okay? What you doing? He's there looking at this box because y'all, I need to return this. I'm gonna show it to you. It's like a walker. River will want to get out on the floor, but I need to vacuum first and then I'm gonna take him out. So yeah, so I need to vacuum the floor. The floor is actually a mess and like things everywhere. Yeah, so I need to sort out this is River's baby bag. But I need to go through it and sort it out because there's some things in there that I need to take out that doesn't fit him anymore. These clothes here, I washed them, they're folded. Sean folded them up for me actually, and I have some clothes in these little like container thingies. I need to go through like socks, hats, bibs, stuff like that, because there's a lot of stuff that cannot fit him, so we need to get rid of those and make room for new clothes, you know. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm actually gonna return. It's actually let me show y'all. It's a walker, right? Well, yeah, it's a walker. So he's meant to hold on to this and like push it so and walk with it, but it is so lightweight. Like River could literally pick this up with one hand, and when I saw him do that, I was like, it's so unsafe. So I thought that the wheels had brakes on it at least, you know, or like stages, so when he wants to like pull himself up on this, it would go extremely slow, but it actually like run away with him. So like if he's holding on to it to get up, it just like runs away like that, which is quite dangerous. So it's like I always have to be right there with him, so he doesn't really have that much independence using it. So I'm gonna return it because I don't need him. It has like some little toys on it, like these spinny things and whatever, but that's not, I mean that's it. So I don't really think River needs something like this. And plus he walks around the couch all the time, like I've been telling you guys, that he just walks around, so he doesn't really need this anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna return it. Yeah, he's probably gonna wonder like what happened, why it's not here anymore. But yeah, I don't know what else I can like buy him. I'll just probably like get him some other educational toy or something, I don't know. But this, yeah, don't waste your money on it. I don't know if there's like another branded one, but I think personally this is for children who already know how to walk and could like control their steps, but teaching them how to walk. River learns better when he's independent and holding on to the furniture around the house. So yeah, and we're not gonna get the other, you know, the normal sort of walker that you put them in, because apparently that delays them a lot. ShéKayla had one, but yeah, you know, you learn as you go along. And as you get more children and you do your research and all of that stuff, so it doesn't really contribute other than like maybe if you want them in there, if you need to do things around the house and they could freely walk, but they're hazards, especially if you have stairs, like you have to, I don't know. River doesn't need any of that, so he gets a lot of floor time where he can crawl around, pick himself up, practice his little stepping off or his little balancing and stuff like that. So yeah. Hey, Rivi. He's usually on the floor at this time, you know. Say hi. Say hello, guys. Say hi. Rivi, do you know that these people know you from the time I took the pregnancy test, Riv? They were there every step of the way. Yeah. Yeah. You want to go down now, huh? Fix your mouth. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You have to stay in there for a bit, because I have to vacuum the floor, baby. Yeah. And then I'll put you down on the floor, okay? Alright? Okay. I'll probably just put on Miss Rachel for him for now, because he watches Miss Rachel. He didn't really like it at first, but now he's like gotten used to it. Yeah, because he's actually learning. I love the fact that Miss Rachel teaches them like how to do things, how to wave, how to say mama and dada, and all those like gestures and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna put on for him. And yeah, and then I'm gonna get to cleaning. Mama. You see that smile, yeah? Yeah, so that's that. socks for you. Look at these tiny little socks, y'all. Oh my gosh, definitely cannot fit River. All these little socks have to go. My baby's getting big, y'all. All these little things have to go. I need to get a bag. Let me go and get a bag to put these in. The ones that can't fit him. Let's put them in this bag. These little bibs, they're way too small for Riv now. Look how small it is. This, oh my gosh, cannot fit anymore. Time to pack them away, y'all. Yeah, time to pack these away for the next baby. Oh my gosh, look at this tiny and cute, this cute little baby, y'all. Y'all remember when I was packing my hospital bag? Oh my gosh. And baby and clothes shopping for my unborn baby. So surreal now that now I'm packing away all these things that can no longer fit my little baby. Look at this. I remember when he started wearing the I Love Mom, this tiny little sock. Like, look at that. Aww. Yeah, I said to Sean right yesterday when I saw River, just looking at him being all independent and stuff, I was like, Sean, I don't want to make you cry. He's like, why would that make me cry, Shauna? I guess as moms we're like super, I don't know, we're like more connected. I think this baby's a big one. This is fine. So we feel more like emotional. I don't know if y'all could hear Miss Rachel in the background, but River is there watching. So while he's been entertained, I figured, you know what, I'll just chat to you guys while I organize this stuff. Yeah, so I think as moms we are more like attached because I'm at home with him, I suppose. So it's just like we're at home together, we're together 24/7, you know, unlike Sean goes to work in the day, so I'm spending more time with him. So just looking at him grow and stuff. And by the way, I know like a few vlogs ago I feel like I left y'all hanging because I did tell you guys I was gonna go and buy another pregnancy test, and it's not like I haven't been deliberately avoiding oh, if I don't want you to watch that one, let's put back on Miss Rachel for you, okay? Yeah, I haven't been like deliberately like avoiding. It's just like it's unconscious that I've like done that. Like I haven't like followed up with it when I said I was gonna buy another test. I actually took 4 tests, y'all, just to confirm that you know, that I wasn't seeing double lines. And yeah, I wasn't, it's not, it was negative. So yeah. So I'm not pregnant, y'all, for those of you guys that are wondering like, SK left us hanging, that means she's pregnant because she didn't come back. So yeah, no, I'm not. I'm not, and I'm fine about it. I don't feel no way about it because it's not like we weren't trying. It's not like we were trying and then like unsuccessful and I'm disappointed and stuff. But like I explained, you know, when you build up and you prepare yourself like, okay, it's definitely gonna be a yes, and then it wasn't, I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, but I mean, yeah, we're good and happy and content with the way our life is right now with River, you know what I mean? All these receivers and blankets, like River don't even use these anymore. Should I like pack them away now? I'll keep them out a bit longer. No, I'll keep them out a bit longer. Yeah, I'll keep these out a bit longer, these little blankets and stuff, but he rarely uses them, you know. Oh, this hat is too small now. River, you have a lot of bibs in here. Like I have a whole thing full of bibs and that River no longer needs. All these bob cloths and stuff. What size is this? This is 3 to 6 months. So this needs to go as well. River wears like 12 months now. He wears some 9 to 12, but when I close shop for him now, anything I buy 12 to 18 months now, because that's how it goes. It's like 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 18, and so forth. Though when Sean like went shopping for him, Sean would bring back clothes like 6 months, 9 months, like that's it. Like it doesn't say like 3 to 6. So I don't know if that's just how they do it in America. It depends on the type of clothes that you buy. But yeah, oh my gosh, y'all, look at him. Look at this. Y'all, I'm gonna insert a clip in River wearing this. Oh my gosh. Big things often have small beginnings. I don't know. This is 0 to 3, I'm sure. Yeah, this is 0 to 3. Even though this one was 0 to 3, it actually fit him for a long time. This is 6 months. But I think this could still fit River. I'm not gonna pack it away. Can it fit him though? Is it busting out? I don't even know. I think he could get one more wear out of it. Sometimes some of the stuff that he have so cute, I'm like, Lord, River, you could give me one more wear out of that. Like, I swear I'm in denial about River growing up sometimes, squeezing him in all these things and he little chunky toys just in there like, Lord. So yeah, these are all 3 to 6 months. I'm just double checking because sometimes I can't even tell. So I officially have a big baby. I think this could still fit River. This was, I'm sure this was like 9 months. Yeah, this is 6 to 9 months. This could still fit. And the weather is getting perfect now for him to finally like wear this, because it just sucks that when he reached the age for him to like really wear this and stuff, it just got cold. But now we're in spring and it's getting like a lot warmer now, so he could start wearing, he could get like a couple wears out of this before I pack it away. Oh my gosh, Lord. Riff, can this fit you? This says 6 months. His grandma had bought this for him. So cute. He only wear it one time, but I think he can still, he could get like one more wear out of it as well. Yes, I won't pack that away yet. This, can this fit? Oh, Riff, I never wear this. Sean had bought this for him, Adidas, black. This is 9 months. He's never worn this, so maybe you could wear this today, huh? Maybe we could bathe and put you in this today. But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna keep you. I'm just gonna keep going through these things because, as I said, I have like, it's so much. Let me show you guys. Where's my phone? Because my camera is like hooked up on the tripod. I'll show you guys already how the couch look and with my lens. Yeah, so I have the, here's the camera, y'all, is hooked up here. Yeah. And y'all remember when I made that rice bottle for River? So he still plays with it. He's tired now as well, so I might just take a break to put him to sleep. But yeah, still have his baby bag here, and the couch is, yeah. So I've already gone, yeah, making my way, and I'm actually putting them in this bag. And yeah, just a few more little pieces. There's like all these little pieces, you know? Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll probably just come back to you guys. ShéKayla had bought this for him when she went to Tenerife on holiday. Tenerife is like over by Spain side. She went on holiday with her dad. This is 6 to 9 months, isn't it? 6 months. River, can this even fit you though? I don't even think these could fit you. Can this fit? I don't really put River to sleep in these stuff anymore. I decided to buy him PJs now because all this zipping down, it's just annoying. I'd rather just get him like PJs, so you know, the long sleeve and then the pants, so he could just pull that off and then put it back on, as opposed to the zip, like zipping him down and annoying. I always hated the nighttime changes. Yeah, but you know, River still wakes up in the night to eat, y'all. I don't know how to get him. If y'all have a way, if y'all have any sort of like recommendation for me to give me with regards to River and him sleeping straight through the night, man, y'all could let me know, because he doesn't sleep straight through the night. He still wakes up at least once, and like he wants milk. Like sometimes he soothes himself with the pacifier and stuff, but I would get up, give him the pacifier, and sometimes he decides that that's not what he wants. He wants like milk, and then it lasts for like 2 minutes and then he's up sleeping again. So if you guys have any kind of recommendation on how I could get River to sleep, please let me know in the comments, because he's going on 10 months and I needed to stop waking up, because I'd be jealous of these mothers who saying that their children sleeping straight through the night till like 7 a.m. and stuff like that, because it ain't happening for me. and like how I'm like closer to going back to work, I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, because like I need my sleep, because sometimes I do wake up tired, because you know I have to take ShéKayla to school still, so I have to take her to school, and sometimes I am really tired, especially if it's a morning where like I'm glad like sometimes when Sean is actually like at home in the morning, like during the week, because then River could just stay at home with him, because oh man, I'd be so tired when I have to get River ready in the morning to go drop ShéKayla, get myself ready. Oh my gosh. But yeah, drop it in the comments, y'all. How can I get River to sleep? And please don't tell me to give him like a bottle of cereal or whatever you call it, because that does not work. I tried giving River, I gave him Cerelac a couple of times, and I swear that Cerelac make River like was up bouncing off the wall. Like that gave him more energy, and like after 9 p.m. he was still awake. So I don't know, so I don't believe that that's true. Like if you full them up, like over full them on rice cereal and stuff like that, that they actually gonna go to sleep. I don't believe that that's true, because it hasn't been working for me. It really hasn't been working for me, so I don't know, but y'all can let me know. All right, I'm gonna go finish up. Yeah, so let me finish this, and then I'll just kind of show you guys. Oh, I need to show you guys the little things I got from Primark yesterday. It's just a few little stuff, so I might just show you guys a couple of the pieces that I got. Yeah, from Primark. They're all for River, bearing in mind that I only went to pick up 1 or 2 things, and then I end up seeing like cute little shorts and little shirts, and I'm like, ooh, this is nice. So yeah, let me finish up and get back to you guys in a second, or in a few, probably like in a couple of hours or something. All right guys, see you in a bit. So guys, these are some of the pieces that I actually got from Primark. Yeah, so it's just like I got some shorts. So you got this here, a couple of shorts right here, very summery, because you know it's spring, summer is coming. T-shirt, another t-shirt, long pants, 2 hoodies. This is actually what I went inside to get, right? A hoodie. I was only gonna get him 1, and then I saw this one and I was like, yeah, let me just get 2 of these. And then I saw this. I think this is nice. It says, hey, £3 y'all for this. You know, I looked at it and I was like, oh, this is cute. So it'd still be nice, because obviously spring is not warm. It's like, it's still kind of chilly outside. It's still cold. I also got this 7-pack. Is it 7 or 8? Yeah, 7. They're short sleeve bodysuits. Yeah, I always have him wearing like white bodysuits and stuff. So I was like, maybe he could wear some color, because he mostly has like a lot of whites, because I love to see him in white, and white is just pure, and you know. But yeah, I like these 2 packs, $2.50, you know. So a lot of these he could like wear around the house, or if we just going on the road somewhere or whatever, in the shop, or you know, just lounging around and just like a little day out in the sun or whatever. I also got these like sweatsuit. 2 of these come in a set, a pack. All of these are bought separate. Yeah, and I think this is cute. This is not really like a this is not as thick as these ones. It's very thin, so it can wear even like in the summertime and stuff. So yeah, and then I got the shorts as well. So he got a few shorts here, you know. So yeah, that's that, you know, for little Rivy. And they're all I think they're all, yeah, all 12 to 18 months. So yeah, all of them is like 12 to 18 months. So I'm gonna try them on him first, see if they actually fit him right. I need to downsize a bit, I don't know, but I think they should be fine anyway. Yeah. Guys, I just come down in the car because I'm actually going to head out for lunch. I took a break from all the clothes, and as I strap River inside the car, he's back there. As I strap him inside the car, it started to rain. Can you believe that? So I'm actually just gonna drive out now. Yeah, it's crazy. Let's go. So this is my lunch, y'all. I got it from, yeah, a place called Chicken Cottage. So it's just some fried chicken. It's so nice. I think they call it like Southern fried chicken. And yeah, so that's what I got with some fries and a Pepsi. Yeah. You come to help mommy cook? We're doing shrimp today. You want some shrimp? Huh? You want to see? Look. Wow. Yeah, hi. Guys, let me turn on the light just so I can finish talking to you guys. Yeah. Oh, I look a mess. So right now it is, what's the time? 7. Oh my gosh, that's the time. Wow, I didn't realize, River, your bedtime is now. We tried to get River to bed by like between 7:30-ish. He falls asleep by 8 o'clock. We hope to have him like asleep. Yeah, so oh, excuse me. Say excuse me. You say excuse me? Yeah, excuse me. Yeah, so Sean is meant to be, I believe Sean should be on his way home now. Sean done a really long day today because he's been gone since 7 and it's almost 8, so he should be on his way home. So what I'm gonna do right now is put River to bed. He wants his milk right now. You're gonna get it now, Riv. Don't beat me up. So I'm gonna give him his milk and try and get him to bed. I just freshened him up and everything. And so yeah, I'm gonna put him to bed now. Yeah, you're tired. Yes, I'm gonna put River to bed. Then I'm gonna go and take a shower because I try to shower and freshen up again before Sean comes home, and then I wait for him to have dinner. So because I don't like it to have dinner without him. I would normally just share out ShéKayla dinner and she can have hers, and then I'll wait until Sean gets home most times. Sometimes if I'm really hungry, I might just like eat a little bit, and then no, River, don't eat my hair. You can't eat my hair, Rivy. It's naughty, Riv. But yeah, for the most part I just try to wait for Sean so that we can have dinner together. So let me hurry up and put River to sleep so that Daddy and I can have our time, and Sean will get to still see him. Yeah, Dada. Yeah, because River's probably gonna wake up around 9-10-ish. Sometimes he does that, and he gets to see his Dada, right, Rivy? Yeah, so I will catch up with you guys probably tomorrow. We'll see. Y'all see me cooking. I need to go in the shop and get some more seasonings. I don't have any more I don't have any more peppers and stuff, so I barely had enough peppers to cook my food with. That was like the last of it. I have a lot of onions though. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna just do that tomorrow. ShéKayla finishes school. Tomorrow is the last day. She's gonna hang out with her friends a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna see, maybe I will take you guys with me just to go and pick up those few things, and then it's the weekend, yeah, because tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, so I will show you, I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. What are you doing up in the people's face like that, Riv? He busy. Look at him. Riv, are you too busy, you know? Golly, you're gonna fall now. All right, people, let me go start the boat. Yeah, I was just trying to take a thumbnail shot because I have no idea how I'm gonna do the thumbnail tomorrow, but because I have like oh, today's Saturday by the way, and I was trying to take a thumbnail shot because I have all these things in the vlog, so I'm like wanting to incorporate everything, like clean with me, cook with me, chit chat, blah blah blah. But obviously the thumbnail, I want me to be like in the center of it. Yeah, so I'm in my room. Today is Saturday, and as per usual I like to end the weekly vlog on a Saturday real time, so you guys can get it tomorrow. So it's like, usually the vlogs are like a week behind. Lately, if you realize, if you watch to the very end, they're not a week behind. Actually filming in real time, and the vlog ends today to be uploaded tomorrow. Yes. Anyways guys, I need to insert a clip from yesterday of River. I feel like I need to go. Alright, is this better? Oh, maybe this lighting is better. I'll stand here. This is good. I like to stand where the lighting is like proper. Y'all like my hair though? Ooh. Anyways, So I need to insert a footage from yesterday when River made his first step. Yeah, River, he's been trying to do it, and yesterday he was just so determined to like what. I was like, oh my gosh, is River gonna be walking up and down? So let me insert it. Let me make some room. Let me insert it here. Or should I insert it on this side? Yeah, let's insert it on this side. So that's him, right? Like, our baby is growing up, y'all. So yeah, he's like made his first step. He's just so active. So yeah, these are some little footages of him yesterday and what he was up to, and it's just, oh my gosh, so proud of him, y'all. He's doing like really great. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the day. Like, jeez. So yeah, everybody is almost gonna walk. He made his first steps, and that is so exciting. I just had to share it with you guys. Like, oh my gosh, that is so nice. So I was meant to go in the shop because remember I told you guys that I have some seasonings to get, and I actually did not go today. I actually got up quite early. I got a lot done. I did a bunch of washing. I feel like I always like I have had so much. I looked in the dirty basket and I was like, where all these clothes come from? So I did some washing up. I washed like 2 loads. I have like 1 more load to wash, but remember I told you guys I don't wash like everything in one day, so I have that to do. I think what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna quickly go to the meat shop because my freezer is empty. Like, tomorrow is Sunday and I don't know what I'm gonna make for Sunday dinner. I'll probably just go and see if I can get some chicken. Should I get oxtail? Should I do some oxtail for Sunday dinner? I don't know, but I'm gonna go to the meat shop, and then I think I need to go and get maybe some grilled chicken or something for dinner because yeah, I didn't cook. I was thinking that today could have been like a burger, like we could have like a burger night, so to make burgers at home. But because I didn't go in the shop, I don't have everything. So yeah, yeah, look, you know, I had to show you. Y'all remember I had like this mole. I had a mole like when I got pregnant, right? Let me move my hair. I got a bunch of these things on my neck, right? Also, I had like a one that was like really like sticking out right here. I think it was like right here, but as you can see, it's gone. It's gone. Oh my gosh, my friend tied like thread on it to like try to get it off, but the thread fell off. And I don't know, randomly like few days ago I realized that like, yeah, it was gone. So a few days ago, last week, when did I notice? Yeah, earlier in the week, I think. Yeah, a few days ago, and it was gone. I actually need to look back through some footages on this vlog to see if it was there, if it's visible, because I want to know what day, like when it fell off, like, because I don't know. So yeah, anyhow, I'm gonna go and put a t-shirt on and then head out. I'm just gonna put on a white t-shirt, actually, just a white t-shirt, and I'm gonna head out to go. Sean is gonna finish work soon, y'all, pretty soon. Yeah, so let me go and do that. How long have I been recording? I've been talking for 7 minutes and some. I need to end this vlog because I need to finish editing it for tomorrow. Yeah, so if you made it to the very end of this vlog, thank you so much for being here. You know, I really appreciate everyone that make it to the very end, honestly speaking, because not everyone makes it to the very end and people miss out on things that I might say at the very end. So thank you. Please make sure you continue to like, comment, and share the video. Yeah, we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. So to all my new subscribers, if you have made it to the very end and you're newly subscribed, thank you so much, because lately I've been getting like quite a bit of subscribers. So yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope you guys have yourself a wonderful Sunday and enjoy the rest of your week as well. All right, I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Until next time, bye.